Poppy. Caffeine BS for April 18th, 2019. I checked my stats and apparently nobody's watching me. Unless maybe some guy in a cubicle or a girl in a cubicle at Google. I hope they have a lot of fun watching me. I mean, they have to be sneaking off to cubicles to watch me and laugh while the boss isn't looking. I mean, I've tried. I talk to guys on the tube, say, hey, that's good, la la la, you know. People liking comments. And I say, well, you know, hey, I post to the tube too, Poppy's Workshop, you know. Chirp, 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 chirp. I'm sorry. I've just been entertaining for you. Say love.